Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a crypto review site with Trustpilot step by step clearly. To create a crypto review site using Trustpilot, start by defining your niche within the cryptocurrency space. Identify the specific type of content you want to focus on, such as exchanges, wallets, or ICO reviews. Choose a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Register your domain with a reputable domain registrar. Select a web hosting provider that meets your site's needs. Install a content management system, such as WordPress, for easy site management. Pick a theme that aligns with your brand and the type of reviews you plan to post. Customize your theme's layout, colors, and typography to create a unique look. Create essential pages, including home, about, contact, and review sections. Set up Trustpilot integration by visiting their website and creating a business account. Verify your business on Trustpilot to gain full access to their review tools. Choose the Trustpilot review widget that fits your site's design. Copy the widget code provided by Trustpilot. Paste the widget code into your website's HTML where you want the reviews to appear. Write informative and engaging review content that follows best practices for SEO. Encourage users to leave their own reviews on Trustpilot by providing clear calls to action. Share your reviews on social media platforms to drive traffic to your site. Monitor user feedback on Trustpilot regularly to engage with your audience. Update your site regularly with fresh content and reviews to keep it relevant. Optimize your website for mobile users to ensure accessibility. Utilize analytics tools to track user behavior and improve your site's performance. Regularly review your site's performance and make necessary adjustments to enhance user experience. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to establishing a credible crypto review site with Trustpilot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.